In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to add node in DaVinci Resolve. So let's get started. So here we are in DaVinci Resolve, and from here is that if you want to create node or add node, is that it's simple. You just need to click here on the node that you have right here. For example, this one, I'm going to add a node next to this. So I'm going to right click and just simply go here into add node. And then now you'd be able to see what kind of node you'd be able to add. You can go for serial, go for serial before, parallel, layer, outside, and you also have the shortcuts in here if you don't want to manually click and then add node and then do it right here. So you could add a serial, and again, you could also use the shortcut. So if I press Shift plus S, then I would be able to add another node, and that is the add serial before node. So just take note of the shortcuts right here so that you'd be able to do this much easier. So that's it on how you can do this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.